Hey guys, it's Bethany. I'm super stoked to bring you this video and introduce you to an amazing new brand and product and company and just fabulousness, and it is called Color Street. So many of you know I love doing my nails. If you've watched my channel for a long time, you'll know I have a ton of nail products, and I have strips, I have regular polishes, I have do-yourself gels, all kinds of stuff. And after having my son, I used to do my nails all the time. After having my son, I just stopped because I just didn't have the time anymore to kind of create that perfect manicure, to be able to do my nails 2 to 3 times a week because of all of the chipping, to have time to just sit and let my nails dry without having them be smudged, because basically I did anything with my nails. So when a friend of mine introduced me to Color Street and let me try a sample, I immediately was hooked and I am loving this product. So to those who are new to Color Street is less than a year old. It is a amazing 100% nail polish strip set. So you are going to get 16 strips in each set that you grab, and you are going to have a range of sizes that are going to be really great fits for your nails or your toes or both. And they again are 100% nail polish, so you're going to be able to remove them with just regular acetone nail polish remover. They aren't going to give you any of that wreckage to your nails like some gels or acrylics or powders, things like that. Even the do-it-yourself gel manicure sets, it's just going to be able to wipe off with regular acetone, and then you can do a new set. They are a vegan and cruelty-free product. They are made in the USA, which is amazing, and they don't have a lot of those harmful chemicals that a lot of nail polishes have, like formaldehyde and things like that. So they are super long lasting, really easy to apply. I will incorporate a video to kind of show you how easy the application is. Going to need any kind of heating products or anything like that. Really all you're going to need is a prep pad, which is essentially an alcohol pad, a file, and the nail strip, possibly a pair of scissors, possibly a cuticle stick. But that's really the extent of it. They are, again, really easy to apply. It's almost kind of like you're putting like a sticker on your nail. It's super awesome. And because they are 100% nail polish, and because they're not fully dried yet, if you say apply it to your nail and you're like, oh no, like I put it too much to the left or too much to the right or whatever, you can lightly just kind of peel that strip off and then just apply it straight on when it's like, where you want to put it. I'm currently on day 7 of this manicure. This is Atlantis, which is a gorgeous like mermaid inspired manicure. They will last you a good 7 to 10 days. If you want to prolong that, or say you're really rough on your nails and you want to make sure that you do get that week to 2 weeks, if not a little bit longer, then I would suggest our Clear as Day top coat strip. Another amazing thing about this product is that it is super, super affordable. If you are interested in checking out all of the amazing sets that we offer, I will have all of my information down below. I'm a busy girl, but as soon as I was introduced to this product, I knew I had to be a part of it. It is an amazing, amazing business opportunity just because it is so brand new. There's not a ton of us out there. I've already promoted to team leader, and it's just been an amazing, awesome opportunity so far. So if you have any questions about that, or just ordering or application, or maybe you want to do a nail bar and get some free goodies, all of my information will be down below. I have my contact via email. I'll put my Facebook page, which is like my VIP page where I have an awesome community. I have a website where you can order straight from Color Street, or you can order through me. I do carry an inventory on hand. Just lots of possibilities of how you can get in contact with me about this product, and I'm an open book. I'd love to share, you know, the opportunity and the brand with you. But we are super affordable, so we have solids, gorgeous different variations of solids that are $11. Then we have amazing glitters that are $12. The designs are $13. And then our French manicures are $14. The awesome thing about this is that the French manicures are actually buy one, get one free. So you'll get 2 for the price of 1. And then all of our other sets are buy 3, get 1 free. So you will get a extra one of a solid, a glitter, or a design. So super affordable. I suggest grabbing a friend when you open the package, because unless you have very, very long nails, you and a friend will be able to do their manicures and pedicures. At least one of you gonna get a pedicure in there as well. So you can get a lot of use out of just one kit. So I definitely suggest that. And again, you're going to have a really beautiful manicure. I do also think that it's gorgeous to get, you know, a couple sets and kind of create your own, you know, have a few of this gorgeous, you know, gold and black design, and throw in some solid purple in there too. You really can get really creative with your manicures and your pedicures. Like I said at the beginning, I fell in love just by a sample. And so if you are interested, you can just go ahead and purchase a full set so you can truly get, you know, the idea of the brand. Or if you want to try it out, I do have some gorgeous samples that I can send out. What you'll get is a little 2Z that we call it in the mail from me. And you can use this as an accent nail, you know, for both of your hands. If you have shorter nails, you can cut those in half, and then you have, you know, 4 nails done, so that you can truly kind of experience what Color Street's all about. They will be a random sample, so even if you're just like, meh, that's maybe not one that I would pick for myself personally, still try it, because the whole experience is going to just be trying the product and seeing how amazing and easy it is. All I ask is, if you request a sample, I'd love to send it out to you, is put them on. You know, as soon as you get them, you can have it be, you know, again, that accent nail, and maybe all the rest of your nails are clean. Or grab one of the polishes in your collection, have this on, paint your nails, see the difference, see how easy it was to apply this, see how you're like, oh, I've got all that extra nail polish around my cuticles with the regular polish. You know, after a few days, maybe you see some chipping of the regular polish, just so that you can kind of challenge yourself and see how really different we are from your typical traditional nail polishes. In addition to that, I would love to see a nail fee. So you can go ahead and take a photo of you with your sample, or even with your full kit, and post it to my Facebook group or my Instagram. And I always do a giveaway every month for those who show everyone their amazing Color Street manicures and pedicures. I will have, again, all of my contact information down below. Feel free to contact me about anything. I'll put my Instagram, all kinds of fun stuff on there. I can't wait to see everyone rocking their Color Street, and I will have more videos to come. Bye!